Must have. The Lord said to Prahlad, Ask a boon of me. I have seen you, replied Prahlad. That is enough. I don't need anything else. But the Lord insisted. Thereupon Prahlad said, If you must give me a boon, let it be that those who have tortured me may not have to suffer punishment. The meaning of those words is that it was God who tortured Prahlad in the form of his persecutors. And if they suffered punishment, it would really be God who suffered. Radha was mad with prema, ecstatic love of God. But there is also the madness of bhakti. Hanuman's was such. When he saw Sita entering the fire, he was going to kill Rama. Then too, there is the madness of knowledge. I once saw a gnani behaving like a madman. He came here very soon after the temple garden was dedicated. People said he belonged to the Brahmo Sabha of Ram Mohan Roy. He had a torn shoe on one foot, a stick in one hand, and a potted mango plant in the other. After a dip in the Ganges, he went to the Kali temple where Holudhari was seated. With great fervour he began to chant a hymn to the Divine Mother. Then he went up to a dog, held it by the ear, and ate some of its food. The dog didn't mind. Just at that time, I too was about to experience the state of divine madness. I threw my arm around Hriday's neck and said, O Hriday, shall I too fall into that plight? I became mad. Narayan Shastri came here and saw me roaming about with a bamboo pole on my shoulder. He said to the people, Ah, he is mad. In that state, I could not observe any caste restrictions. The wife of a low caste man used to send me cooked greens, and I ate them. I touched my head and lips with the leaf plates from which the beggars ate their food in the guest house of the Kali temple. Thereupon, Holudhari said to me, What have you done? You have taken the food left by beggars. How will you marry off your children? Footnote. According to the rules of Hindu society, Brahmins lose their caste by eating food left or touched by people of a lower caste. Footnote ends. These words aroused my anger. Holudhari was my cousin, older than myself. But could that restrain me? I said to him, You wretch! Isn't it you who take pride in the study of the Gita and the Vedanta? Isn't it you who teach people that Brahman alone is real and the world illusory? And yet you imagine that I shall beget children. May your mouth that recites from the Gita be blighted. To M. You see, mere study of books avails nothing. One may recite the written part of the drum glibly from memory, but to play the drum is exceedingly difficult.